This is a refresher from last time when I showed you guys how to upload pictures to use for a Canvas quiz. You want to be careful uploading pictures so your students can't find them if you don't want them to be found. So the best way to do this is to go to your account page and you have a separate set of files. It's kind of confusing, but this set of files is not accessible by your students. So if you click on Files, give it a second to open. Now in here, we have My Files, and these are all the files for your individual classes. The students have access to all these files, but they do not have access to My Files. So I've already created a folder called Quiz Pictures, but if you go to My Files and we haven't done this, if you select it in the browser on the left here, you click the plus folder. It's real easy. They make it very, very easy to follow along. And you can just type in sample quiz pictures. You can upload this however you want. So now I have my sample quiz pictures folder, and there's nothing in here right now. But if I just click upload, I can go find something on my desktop um, to upload into that folder. So we'll just grab this caption. It doesn't really matter. I just found the first picture that I could find. But now this is in our quiz folder. And so the students don't have access to this. And a lot of times I will try and think of a way to cryptically name this. So the students, if they do get into the source code, they can't find the answer the um, to the question from that. So I'll say quiz one, question one, and that way I'll be able to find it easy because later on we can't see the pictures very well. Then I click the check and I'm ready to go. So I can upload all my questions or quiz pictures here. I have found out through trials and tribulations that it is much easier to upload all my pictures first. It does require a little bit more organization, but in the end, it'll be much easier to do because you have to, in order for the quizzes to show up in your files, you have to close the quiz and then refresh. So it's much easier to just upload them all at the beginning. All right, I hope this helps. I will see you in the next lesson when we put these things into question.